Hello, this is how this voicing works. So actually, this is a little bit of let me say this just the ROSYS Plus on ROSYS Basic, which some other people use. You may not need to look for customers, but here individual customers have their own account. You can see the examples here. But for example, we want to pick this customer Obinna George as the specimen, right? So we have the bag code the scanner option, we have the manual search option, but we want to use the voice input because it appears to be the fastest here, right? So let's do that. Just click to speak. Actually, this thing also works on mobile phones. It works on tablets and all sizes of computers, right? But I'm using computers so that a laptop for the size to be, to be visible to all, right? So just click to speak. Inhaler 5. Inhaler 5.
Added 5 Kinfo inhaler to cart. Added 1 Kinfo inhaler to cart. No product found. No product found.
Products.
No product found.
Products.
Multiple products found. Please select one.
When we find this, you can just go to 3 or 5. Depending on how many you want to, let's just choose another. Let's assume this is the one we want to choose. We miss the number, can just click on
Added
it.
5 product 2 to cart.
So it has brought out the place to um, make payments. We have 4750. So you can see the invoice has been done. This is the invoice here. Um, let's see. So these are the things we just chosen. So it's very fast. So that's all we want to say. Thank you very much for your time.